This week's Data and AI news is all about disruption. Nvidia faces rivals, creators demand fair treatment, and Harvard opens the floodgates. Or data. Here's why these stories matter to your business. First up, Nvidia's dominance in the AI hardware is facing a serious challenge. Broadcom and Marvell are introducing custom ASIC chips, designed to make AI workloads more efficient and cost-effective. Cloud providers are already exploring these alternatives, signaling a shift in the market. What does this mean for businesses and startups? More competition means reduced hardware costs and better specialization for AI solutions. Startups building AI-driven products now have the opportunity to access hardware that aligns more closely with their needs, without paying Nvidia's premium. My big takeaway? If you're a startup or business relying on AI, this shift could slash your operational expenses and unlock new possibilities for scaling. Keep an eye on Broadcom and Marvell. They might just disrupt Nvidia's monopoly. Next, we move to the UK. The creative industry is drawing a line in the sand, urging the government to regulate how AI systems train on copyright materials. From musicians to writers, creatives are demanding fair compensation when their work is being used to train AI. Proposed policies could enforce licensing agreements, ensuring intellectual property rights are respected. For businesses and startups, this means two things. One, AI developers need to budget for licensing fees, potentially raising costs. And number two, creative industries will become more receptive to AI partnerships, fostering innovation while protecting their work. In my opinion, if you're building AI solutions, get ahead of this. Proactively engage with licensing now to avoid future regulatory issues. Respecting creative rights isn't just ethical, it's a competitive advantage in gaining trust and long-term partnerships. Last up, in a monumental move, Harvard has made nearly 1 million public domain books freely available for AI training, thanks to the support from OpenAI and Microsoft. This dataset offers an unprecedented opportunity for startups and researchers to build advanced AI models without the constraints of expensive or limited data. What's the impact really? This levels the playing field. Smaller companies now have access to resources that were previously reserved for giant tech companies. This is particularly significant for LLM developers, where quality data often makes or breaks an innovation. If you're a startup or a small business, this is your chance to compete with the big players. Use this data to innovate faster, launch new solutions, and gain a competitive edge. Just make sure it is in a narrow, specialized, and industry-specific domain. You're not going to win if you go broad. This has already been commoditized. This week's stories highlight the evolving AI landscape. Nvidia's dominance is being challenged, creative industries are pushing for fair AI practices, and Harvard's free datasets is unlocking new opportunities for innovation. Whether you're building, scaling, or investing in AI, these shifts are reshaping the game. Stay ahead and stay innovative.